Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got the Homemade Sweetness designer series paper and sticker sheet out again, and it's fabulous. So these are the stickers, and I will be using these. And then we've got fabulous papers. So we've got a lovely Ditsy Floral, which I'm going to be using today, hence why it's chopped. And then we've got jams, jellies, preserves, curds, spoons, and they're plainer on the back. This one, which I have done a project with, the tiny little flowers and ladybirds with a gingham on the back, smaller jars and jams with stripes, and then fruit with a plain. And I'm going to make a bag with you today. Let me move that back behind me. A bag that has this paper. So you need a piece of cardstock. I've got Secret C, which is 11 inches by 7 3/4, which is 19.5 by 28 centimetres. Okay, and on the long side, score it at 3 3/4, 5 1/4, 9 and 10.5 inches, which in metric is 9.5, 13.5, 23 and 27. Score on the short side at 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres. Come back to your original side, and we're going to part score down to about the 5 inch, 12.5 centimetre mark at 4.5 inches, which is 11.5 centimetres, and 9 3/4 inches, which is 25 centimetres. Is that right? Yes. Oh yes, Sorrel agrees. So don't worry about writing any of the measurements down. They're all on my blog. Just click open the description bar and you'll find a hyperlink directly to this project. So what I'm going to do, where I've part scored, I'm going to take that bottom bit and go there and there to the diagonal, on the diagonal to the corners on both sides. So I've just got my steel rule and the thin end of my stylus. So the thick end is the one I use for scoring on a scoring tool, and the thin end is when I'm just going straight onto my worktop. So there you go, you can see those triangles. Right, let's finish this up. So yeah, this is Secret C. Couldn't tell you the last time I used it, but what a fabulous stormy sea colour. It's, yeah, the sea at night time. Fabulous colour. Don't worry about the part score or those diagonals. They are going to pull themselves together. Pull themselves together when the box is formed. Now, my DSP panels, they measure in at 6 1/4 by... No, they don't. They are 6 by 3.5 centimetres, which is 15... No, let's try that again. 6 by 3.5 inches, which is 15 by 9 centimetres. Goodness sake. Okay. And I've got one for the front and one for the back because I can. There is no deep-rooted reason. I just wanted one at the front and one at the back. And I love the little flowers. I have a thing for tiny flowers on a dark background. On black ideally, but this works very well on the Secret C. Okay, right, so I'm going to take a little whisper off there and then take out that rectangle. I'm just going to wedge a little bit on that square. So I'm cutting straight on the rectangle, wedging the square, and the same on this one. So these are going to be the glue tabs. Okay, so does anybody know where my tear and tape is? Oh, found it. So I'm going to have some there. This is going to come round and be the back, so I know I need some on this part. Let's get this closed up. So that is the back. Fold in the two sides and the back piece, and then where I put tape before. Yeah, come on, Sorrel, come on. Can you say hello to everybody? And then that's the base of the box. And now, because I put these score lines in before, hello, you come and say hello to everybody. Yes, pretty girl. She's got spots on her. Or almost like triangle shapes. Hello. Yeah, when you... she's butting my chin. When you push in the sides, it's going to form down naturally. And because I put those diagonal lines in, it's not going to buckle. There we go. See? Now, how you close this is entirely up to you. You could put a hole there, you could put binder clips on. I'm going to look here. Is this Secret C that I bought? It is. Yay! I've got ribbon that I can't access. Oh, she's gone again. She's probably going to go and stand out somebody's bedroom door, assuming they're in the house. There's three of us in the house at the moment. My husband's sleeping off a night shift. My son, who's day off from college, is here as well. And me. Ooh, that's a sheer ribbon. I did not know that. That's lovely. That's very nice. Right, I'm going to get a couple of clips to hold it closed just while I get this ribbon round. But yeah, you could use binder clips or library clips to hold it closed. I'm going to use ribbon because I can, and the ribbon's pretty. And I'm going to go around a couple of times just for that additional strength in the closure slash seal of the box and in holding it closed. And I can take those off, and that's the bag closed up now. Very pretty. So, because I've got stickers and because I'm a girl of the 70s and I like stickers, and do you know what, I don't think that's actually unique to us Gen Xers. I think there's lots of us who like stickers. So I want to put "You're the Sweetest" on there. So I'm going to put "You're the Sweetest" because I think that's lovely. And then I'm going to get some dimensionals. Here they are. And I'm going to take the two blueberries and just lift them up. Those. Because I think that's fun. So that's all I'm going to do with the stickers, and then I've still got my wing Stella out, and I'm just going to go over the blueberry just to make it glittery, and for no reason other than I can, and that it will look really cute. I'm not going over the top, that bit at the top. I'm not going over that. I'm just going over the berry itself. When I bring it closer, you can see it shimmering. I think that's lovely. Look at that, in less than 10 minutes. Oh, I think it's gorgeous. I love the paper. I think that's just darling, and heck, the stickers did the work for me. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.